In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Discord to PS4. If you want your Discord friends to see what you're playing on PlayStation and keep your gaming life connected, this walkthrough will guide you through the official PlayStation linking process. You can do this from any web browser on your PS4, your phone, or a computer. Start by heading to the official PlayStation website. Once you're on the home page for PS4 and PS5 games, look to the top right and click the profile icon. If you aren't already signed in, sign in to your PlayStation account. Having your login details and any two-factor verification ready will make this smoother. After you're signed in, open account settings. This takes you to the account management area where you control privacy, security, and connected apps. From here, find and select linked services. This page shows all services that can connect to your PlayStation account, like streaming and social platforms. Next, choose Discord and select the option to link. A new window will appear asking you to authorize the connection. If prompted, sign into your Discord account and confirm that you want to connect it to PlayStation. This permission allows PlayStation to share your gaming activity with Discord so it can display your PlayStation Network status and the titles you're playing to your Discord friends. When authorization is complete, you'll be brought back to PlayStation with a confirmation that Discord is now linked. You can verify it by checking linked services again on the PlayStation side, where Discord should show as connected. You can also open Discord, go to your user settings, then connections, and you should see PlayStation listed there. A few tips to help if something doesn't appear right away. Refresh the page or try a different browser if the authorization window doesn't open. Disable aggressive pop-up blockers just for this step. If you don't see Discord in linked services, make sure your account region supports the integration and that your system software is up to date. You can unlink anytime from the same linked services screen on PlayStation or from the connections page in Discord. One important note, on PS4, this link primarily shares your activity to Discord. It does not add native Discord voice chat on the console. For voice, you can still join Discord from your phone or computer while you play on PS4 or explore audio mix solutions if you want everything in one headset. If you're on PS5, additional voice features may be available. And that's it. You've connected Discord to PS4 using the official PlayStation account settings. Enjoy staying connected and letting your friends know what you're playing.